Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, and Connaught Place in Delhi is no exception. As a bustling commercial hub, Connaught Place attracts numerous construction projects that require geotechnical expertise. Geotechnical services in Connaught Place provide essential information about the subsurface conditions of a construction site, helping engineers and architects make informed decisions. These services involve the study of soil properties, rock mechanics, and groundwater conditions to ensure the stability and safety of structures. SCON Design is a renowned firm that offers geotechnical services in Connaught Place and other areas of Delhi. With their expertise and experience, SCON Design has become a trusted name in the field of geotechnical engineering. They provide comprehensive solutions for all types of construction projects, from small residential buildings to large-scale commercial complexes. SCON Design understands the unique challenges posed by the geology of Connaught Place and tailors their services accordingly. When it comes to geotechnical services in Connaught Place, SCON Design offers a wide range of services to meet the varying needs of their clients. One of their key services is site investigation, which involves conducting tests and surveys to determine the soil conditions and potential risks. This information is crucial for designing foundations and other structural elements that can withstand the specific soil properties in Connaught Place. SCON Design utilizes advanced techniques and equipment to accurately assess the soil's strength, compaction, permeability, and other important parameters. Another important service provided by SCON Design is slope stability analysis. The hilly terrain surrounding Connaught Place presents unique challenges in terms of slope stability. Geotechnical engineers at SCON Design analyze the stability of slopes and recommend appropriate measures to mitigate the risks associated with landslides or slope failures. By conducting detailed investigations and utilizing sophisticated software, they can accurately forecast potential slope movements and design appropriate stabilization measures. Furthermore, SCON Design also offers geotechnical instrumentation services in Connaught Place. This involves installing monitoring equipment at construction sites to measure various parameters such as groundwater levels, settlement, and stress distribution. By monitoring these parameters throughout the construction process, engineers can ensure that the structures are being built in accordance with design specifications and any necessary adjustments can be made in a timely manner. Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, and Connaught Place in Delhi is no exception. As a bustling commercial hub, Connaught Place attracts numerous construction projects that require geotechnical expertise. Geotechnical services in Connaught Place provide essential information about the subsurface conditions of a construction site, helping engineers and architects make